Welcome back, Curry Crew. Today we have another delicious recipe for you. So today we're going to be making a delicious Indian dessert, also known as Gajar ka Halwa, which is made from gajar or carrots, and it is one of my absolute favorites. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into our recipe. We're going to interrupt your video right now just to let you know that we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, guys. So if you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button down there so that you can watch all of the new videos that we post every week. We're going to post 2 videos every week. You want to make sure you see those recipes. So click subscribe and then punch that notification bell so you know when the videos come out. And now, back to your video. So step 1 for our Gajar ka Halwa will be to take 1/2 cup of ghee and add it into a large pot. Now we're using our homemade ghee that also has infusions of cardamom and other spices, and it will add some additional flavors to the dish. So if you want to learn how to make your own ghee at home, check out our video recipe below. Once the ghee melts, into our pan we'll go 30 ounces of shredded carrots. Now you can shred them yourself by buying big carrots and then shredding them down by hand, or you can buy pre-shredded. Give it all a nice mix, and we're gonna cook our carrots over low to medium heat. Then into our pan, we're gonna add in 1 cup of heavy cream and 4 cups of milk. Give it all a nice mix, and then we will add in 1.5 cups of mixed nuts, which includes cashews, pecans, and almonds. Our mixture also has a handful of raisins in there as well. Give it all a nice mix to combine the nuts and our raisins with the rest of our dish, including our carrots and our milk and heavy cream. Let it simmer over low to medium heat for about 5 minutes, and then we will add in 1/8 teaspoon of crushed saffron. Give it all a nice mix, and turn up the stove to about a medium heat, and we will cook our mixture until all of the liquid has been incorporated and cooked out. This should take about 20 to 25 minutes, and you will also see the color of the dish changing from white to the nice saffron golden color. Keep stirring in between to make sure nothing is sticking at the bottom of the pan, and also to make sure that the milk does not burn at the bottom. After about 10 minutes, you can see that the carrots are becoming softer and getting more and more cooked, and quite a bit of our liquid has evaporated as well. Then into this we will add in 1.5 cups of sugar and give it all another mix. We want our sugar to dissolve, and then we're going to keep cooking our dish until the liquid evaporates and we are left with the final dish, which is more gooey and sticky and delicious. Once again, make sure that you're stirring in between to prevent anything from sticking to the bottom of your pan. Once most of the liquid has evaporated, it should then look like this. At this point, we are going to add in our last ingredient, which will be 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give it all a nice mix, and then we can turn off the stove and allow our dish to cool down. Once it is cooled, we are pretty much done. So there you have it, guys. Our awesome homemade Gajar ka Halwa is finished. You definitely need to try this recipe for yourself because I know you will love it just as much as I do. So try it out, dig in, and enjoy.